Hey guys, welcome back here. Alright, today I want to show you my 25 watt foldable solar panel. You know, with the crisis in Venezuela right now, and I've got this new GoPro Hero, so I figured I'd do a few videos updating on my solar, which are just poor videos. I do need a DSLR, but let's go ahead and use this camera for now and show you a few ways that you can use solar in an emergency or everyday use. So what this is a foldable panel. We're using my inflatable hot tub here as a work area, which I'll come back and do a video on this. This I got online. There go about $40–45. You fold it out into the sun, okay? In the back here, unzip it, and right here are two ports. And I don't know if you can see a red light in there. And it comes with the cable. So I have this battery pack here. What I'm gonna do is plug this in here. Okay, check the sides, side down. Plug it in. All right, let's open this back up. And right in the sun. And right here on this, let me bring it to the shade. And we can see it's charging the little flashing light. So with this, I can store power it for nighttime. You could use a much larger one of these units. So this is a really good source for USB charging phone, tablet, and you don't want to get one smaller than this. This is really not going to do anything. This is like kind of your minimal size. I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you guys a few more powerful things that you can use. Okay, but for the money, I think this is great. Everyone should have one, you know, and the portability. So this can go in your emergency bag, going camping, whatever. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you found this useful. You can get it on any of the auction sites. There's no preferred site for me on this. I got it off eBay. So, all right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.